Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Monday, October 7th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the amazing choices that you will make today. Today, I would like to wish Randy Mendez in 3rd grade a happy birthday. Please stop by my office and get your special birthday gift. And to those of you who are worried that I wouldn't be giving out gifts, I promise I still am giving out birthday gifts. Birthdays are very special. Today, remember, Rattlers are respectful. Today, you are going to treat yourself, your school, and your teachers and your classmates with kindness. And today's idea 56 is dress in proper uniform at all times, including keeping your shirt tucked in. Please look around at your neighbors. Is everyone in the correct uniform? And then check yourself. Do you have black shoes on? Do you have khaki or black pants? Are you wearing your belt? Is your shirt tucked in? Your blue Idea polo? And then if you do have a sweater, put that sweater in your backpack if it's a non-Idea sweater. You don't want to lose dojo points for not being in uniform. Also, make sure that part of your uniform is having your ID around your neck. Okay, so check right now. If you don't have your ID out, grab it out and put it around your neck. Remember, today's Monday, and that means that you report to your homeroom for academic block. Also, just a reminder to read. We're getting a lot of kids very close to Royal Reader, but not yet. And this week, we are going to focus our social emotional learning on mindfulness and breathing techniques. So you can really take some time to take deep breaths and focus. You'll be learning all about that during your academic block. Announcements. Look at the week's test. So look for your grade level and then what subject, and if you have any tests this week. Make sure that you are in school every single day so you can be successful on your test this week. Unfortunately, we had 23 scholars out on Friday, which means we only had 96.62% attendance. We did not meet our goal. Please make sure that your parents continue to bring you to school every single day. Also, we did not get a chance to give prizes out last week, but we are going to do that today. So by the end of the day, don't worry, we're coming to find you. We will give you your gifts. But also, make sure that you're here every single day so you can qualify for those prizes. Also, I'm going to the store pretty soon to add more gifts and prizes. So make sure you're here. Also, our vocabulary word of the day is ability. I really want to keep this up and make sure that if you're even using this word, I will give you a dojo point, and so will your teachers. So ability is a talent, skill, or proficiency in a particular area. So you have the ability to score a master's on your STAR exam because you go to IDEA and you have an amazing education. Now, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Remember, make it a marvelous Monday. Remember that choice is all yours. And if no one else today tells you that they love you, just know that I really love you all, and I always will, and I am so excited to be your principal. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of the students that are out. Have a great day.